Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. It is day 28, you guys, our final day. I cannot contain my excitement. I cannot believe that we got here. I cannot actually believe that I have been able to upload a video every single day this month, which is a major feat for me. I am so proud of myself, and also you if you've been watching the whole time. We are finally here, the last day of this February series. It actually went a lot quicker than I expected, and it wasn't actually too bad. There were some days where it was really hard. I actually had to stay up quite late at night editing and uploading, but I'm really proud of myself for doing this, and I'm really excited to set more goals out in the future. So if this is a series that you've really enjoyed, please give this video a major thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, share with anyone who you think might be interested. If you are watching right now, please send me a screenshot or send me a picture, tag me on Instagram. That would really mean a lot to me. Today's video is our final handbag unboxing, and it is actually one of my absolute favorite pieces, favorite bags in my collection. I actually cannot believe I have this bag, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know all about it, and so many of you guys have been dying for me to make this video. So today we are finally doing our final handbag reveal today, you guys. So I am very excited, but also I just wanted to say hi to anyone who is new here. Welcome, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. Every day this month I have been uploading a video showcasing or sharing a bag that I have added into my collection in the last several years that I haven't sort of showed on YouTube here. So if that is something that interests you, please go ahead and subscribe and join my little YouTube family. And to those who've been watching this series throughout, if there's any bags that you want me to do a review, please let me know. I will just say I am thinking of like maybe committing to a series on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, please go ahead and do so here. I am thinking of doing maybe a reel every day where I show you guys how I style my bags. So if my style is something that intrigues you or interests you, or you want to just get ideas of how to style any of the bags that I own, I will post a bit more on my Instagram, so do give me a follow on there. But here we go, you guys, our final unboxing. Are you ready? Let's do this. So it comes in this box right here. It is an Hermes handbag unboxing. This bag I purchased last year for my birthday. I kind of spoiled myself last year, I'm not gonna lie. It was just kind of after everything that happened with COVID, and I really just focused on splurging, honestly. Not that I didn't splurge the whole time, but I really felt like I deserved it because of like just how much shit and just how much I actually was able to get through the last couple of years. COVID has not been the nicest for me. Like, I had moved to Melbourne on my own, and I was actually at the lowest point in my life. I was very depressed, I was very isolated. Thankfully, I was in a profession where I was able to continue working, but even at work, we were forced to be like isolating to reduce like face-to-face contact, and it really just was the lowest point in my life. But 2022 was just the complete opposite of what 2021 was. That it was just, yeah, I just kind of wanted to ride the highs, and I like splurge myself, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'll probably splurge as much this year, but we will see. And I was just happy, and I was in love, and just like I just wanted something to remind me of like last year. I was just really happy. So this is a happy bag for me, you guys. So are you guys ready? Let's get on to the reveal. I'm sure you guys are dying to see this, but I mean, it's our last video. Let me ramble a little bit. Let me just treasure the last bit of this unboxing frenzy series that we're doing, okay? I wonder if you can tell what color this is based on what I'm wearing. As always, I tried to sort of tie in with my bag a little bit. But Hermes, here we go. Let's open this bag. I'll give you guys more of the details on like where I purchased it and the price. Maybe, I don't know yet. So opening it up, comes in this box. It looks like that. Let me just get the dust bag. Here we go. So please welcome my third Hermes bag and the final bag to be revealed in our February handbag unboxing series, and that is the let's do a little strip show, you guys. Are you ready? Here we go. A little handle. Oh my gosh, it is the Hermes Birkin 25, and this is in the Bordeaux Swift leather with the gorgeous gold hardware. Oh my god, let's just take a moment, let's just take a minute to appreciate the beauty that is her in all her glorious goodness. I'm not sure if this is going to show up very well on camera, but it is the most gorgeous like Bordeaux color, and it is actually Bordeaux. This is not Rouge H. So Rouge H is a little bit more of like brownie sort of color. I'm hoping that you guys can see the details of this and the camera's not washing it out, but it is this most beautiful like burgundy purple color, and you guys know burgundy is my favorite color in a bag. And then with gold hardware, size 25, Swift leather, it was a match made in heaven. I am so thrilled with this bag. It is the cutest little bag, and I love wearing it with pink. I love wearing it with like Bordeaux colors. Although it is like a darker autumn winter color, I just feel like if I paired it with pink, you can sort of style it in spring as well. Do feel like these colors, like these burgundy colors, are quite a neutral color. Personally, you can easily style this with like neutral tones like grays, beiges with blacks, denims. So I do find it not too hard to style, especially when you pick a very simple plain outfit. I do love wearing this sort of a bit more undone, so I wouldn't typically wear it like this, to be honest. So I would typically, you know, wear the bag like this. This is how I like my Birkins, really slouchy, really chill, casual, laid back. I absolutely love the gold hardware on this. It just pops against the burgundy. Hopefully that's picking up. I cannot tell you how gorgeous this bag is. The gold is just so yellow and gold. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. This came with a lock and like the clochette. Hardly ever put this on. Probably just wear it like that, I guess. I'm not really fussed on it. It doesn't really need it, let's be honest. It is stuffed at the moment. It did come with the protector, but you know, I'm not going to take this out in the rain, like absolutely no way. I do still need to get a bag organizer. I guess that's what you do with Birkins, just to hold structure. I do think with the 25, Swift is fantastic because it really holds its shape pretty well and truly. It doesn't need a lot of structure for the 25 because it's already a small bag. I don't know if it's how I stuffed it, but Swift leather is quite slouchy. I think I overstuffed it there a little bit, so just be careful with how you store these bags. I'm honestly not too fussed because at the end of the day, these bags are meant to be worn and enjoyed and loved. It is so teeny tiny, you guys. It is so stinking cute. Like the handles, I can't. They're so freaking adorable. I love this bag so much, I can't tell you. I am so thrilled and happy with this. The condition of this is amazing. Like it came like in perfect condition. Obviously it's Swift, so the leather is going to slouch, but yeah, there was like barely any wear and tear at all. And in terms of the price, I don't know. I really don't know. I should tell you guys how much it is. I don't think I will. I'm sorry, but it was fairly expensive, like double of the other one. So that's just comparison how much I spent on this. Quite expensive, literally the most expensive bag I've ever bought in my life, but I just think that she is absolutely gorgeous. It wasn't so bad that it was disgusting. Like, I know that Birkin 25s in particular sell for an extortionate amount of money. I felt like the price I paid for it was pretty reasonable considering the condition, the color, the hardware, and that the fact that everything about it was so perfect for me that I just had to jump on it. And honestly, I just don't see this color very often. I don't see this bag very often. You guys, I can't gush on anymore about this bag. It is absolutely stunning. The seller that I purchased it from was from a Japanese consignment seller. It is from Brandoff. They are very, very well known, and I trust them 100%. I did also get this authenticated again by Baba Baby. She's who I use, but I do want to get these bags eventually entropy authenticated as well. But I just can't leave her with some random to authenticate it because it's so like stressful. I don't know what they'll do with the bag. I'm actually just very, very petrified. So anyways, I will eventually get some sort of entropy authentication because like that's who I trust. Now let me just show you how I wear this bag. So with this bag I will typically pick like a pink outfit. I do have like a couple of pictures already on how I style this, but this is probably how I would wear it. Like for spring, this is a very cute outfit. I've got just culottes or pants on. Obviously if it is winter, you could still wear this and maybe throw on a jacket on top. This is a great like spring look as well, but just wearing lighter colors with this bag will really lighten the bag a little bit. And then yeah, obviously wearing dark colors, more layers, will take it into an autumn sort of winter bag. For me, I can actually wear this on the crook of my arm because I am quite petite. Otherwise you can obviously just hand hold it. Personally, if I couldn't put this on the crook of my arm, I'd be very annoyed because this would be a very annoying bag not to be able to hand carry. So I love that I can do that, and it makes it so much more functional and useful for me. Like I mentioned, I am quite petite, so the 25 probably looks like a 30 on me, whereas it looks very small on other people. So that is it. This is my perfect Birkin. This is my ideal Birkin. This size 25 is probably the only Birkin I would continue to purchase in the future. Let me just grab my 30 and show you guys how that looks like. This is what the 30 looks like. As you can see, it's absolutely massive next to it, but I kind of love like the two colors that I have. It's just like one's neutral and like very chill, very casual, and this is just so like just gorgeous. Just so royal and so rich. I think having these two, like I'm really happy with the two that I have. Both are in Swift leather, which is absolutely fine with me. I do think Swift leather is just like a gorgeous calfskin. I know Togo is quite a popular leather from Hermes, but they are very, very expensive. And I mean, I won't lie, that would be a preference, but the price point for that in the color that I want, I just don't know if I'd be willing to spend that much. And Swift is like absolutely gorgeous on the 25. It absorbs color so well because yeah, I just don't know if you can tell how gorgeous that color is, but stunning, you guys, stunning. I really do need to get an organizer for my bags. I have been a bit lazy because I haven't really been wearing them or using them, so I haven't really been too fussed on getting one. But now that I have revealed it to you guys and now that I can wear it more, I really should order one. I don't think I'll get the very, very expensive handbag organizer because I'm just not up for spending $500 for a handbag organizer, you guys. Like, that's insane. So I will keep you guys updated if I do get a handbag organizer for these bags and which one I prefer. And now let me just show you guys what it looks like with my Kelly. So this is my Kelly right here. It's in this beautiful like chestnut brown color. Absolutely love her. I've been styling her and I've just put this strap on, which is a lot thicker, so it's a lot shorter, and I think this is how I would wear this bag. Let me just show you guys what the Kelly looks like next to the Birkin 25. So this is the Kelly 28 as I mentioned, and this is the 25. Kelly 25 would definitely be a better bag for me in terms of a Kelly, but I think that the 28 is also a great everyday size. And so yeah, you guys, these are my 3 Hermes bags that I have. I've got some pretty good colors. Like I think I've got like a pretty decent collection of colors. I'm really happy with all of them, all very neutral. And yeah, if you want to see how I style any of them, I will include my Instagram. I will be doing a reel if I haven't already uploaded it on how I style all of my 3 Hermes bags, because I think that would be really nice to see. But yeah, you guys, that is my handbag unboxing for today. That is our last video for our February handbag unboxing frenzy series. It has been so much fun filming for you guys and editing these videos for you guys. If you enjoyed it as well, let's put a unicorn comment in the comment section below if you have been watching all my videos and if you've tuned in to the very end. I really do appreciate every single one of you who have commented, who have have liked videos, who have tuned in every day to watch. It has been an absolute pleasure making these videos for you guys, and I really want to keep it up and keep doing more. Even though today is the last video, promise you there is more to come. I do want to do like my handbag collection eventually, so I might do that more on a week by week basis, so keep an eye out for that. And also, if you want me to do a review on any of the bags you've seen so far, please comment in the comment section below. I would love to do that. And finally, if you want to see how I style them as well, go ahead and check out my Instagram. Let me know what you think of doing like a handbag reel or a styling reel every single day on my Instagram. I think that might be a fun little commitment that I could do. Thank you so much again for continuing to support me and watching these videos. As always though, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.